Hello and welcome to Wolfe GMC Buick. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 Ram 1500 ST featured in bright white with a gray interior. Under the hood there's a 3.6 liter V6 paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Some features include air conditioning, 17-inch steel wheels, cruise control, keyless entry, rear folding seat, a USB and an aux, and much more. Taking a look at the interior, here's our door with power lock and unlock, front and rear powered windows and powered mirrors, some storage and cup holder space below. And just to the left here, we have our lighting controls as well as our park brake. And here are the manual seating controls. We can take a step inside here and we can turn it on. There in the middle is our odometer and cluster. To the left of the steering wheel, we have our cluster controls. To the right, we have our cruise control. Taking a look at the center here, we have our radio with AM and FM as well as Sirius XM. And of course, we can connect a phone using either aux or USB. Just below that, I have the controls for the center console. Below that, we have our air conditioning. And below that we have our cruise control with tow/haul mode, as well as our optional 2-wheel and 4-wheel drive. Here we have a USB-C and a USB plug-in. Taking a look at the center console, we have 3 cup holders, and we can open it up here. We can collect our change right here. We also have a USB-C, 2 USBs, and an aux cord in the center there. Here's our rear view mirror. And there's the other side of the vehicle. Moving on to the exterior, here are the 17-inch wheels, Ram 1500 badging along the side, black mirror caps and door handles, privacy tint on the rear windows, and we can make our way to the back here. Some more 4x4 badging on the side. We can drop this down. Tons of space back here, and it's pretty light, so it doesn't take much to pop it back into place. Now checking out the rear interior, here's our door with powered windows. Here are the seats, and of course we can lift these up here to get a ton more storage back here. We can hop inside. Of course we got handles on either side, as well as a dome light at the top. If we look down in the middle here, we have 2 cup holders, and here's the view from the back. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick review of the 2018 Ram 1500 ST. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and we hope to see you at Wolfe GMC Buick very soon.